Do you have very high memory and CPU usage on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer? Whether it's a laptop or a desktop, whenever you try to play games, the 100% disk usage, CPU usage, and the RAM is there. If this is the case, learn how to fix high memory usage and CPU usage. So we will be doing very easy steps to fix this problem, and we are not going to install any software. We will be only troubleshooting and fixing this problem. So here, do a right click in the start icon and click on run and type services.ms. Once you have typed it, click on OK. Once you do that, a new window will, and here we are looking for two services. I mean, that's a one service, but in your case, you might have super fetch or sysmain. Both the services are same, so you can look for super fetch, and if you do not find super fetch, then look for sysmain. So I have found it, and you can see that it is disabled. So you also need to disable it. Just do a right click, click on stop, and then go to properties, and here the startup type should be disabled. Now this is the services which makes the random application which we use frequently, it makes it available for us, and this is why the usage of CPU, RAM, disk gets very high. So if you disable this service, it won't make any changes and you won't have any issues. So you can disable it. Since the beginning, I'm not using this service and my computer works absolutely fine. If you want to see, I'll just do a right click and I'll go to Task Manager and just see the performance. Currently I'm using the screen recording is going on. Still the CPU usage, memory and disk is absolutely fine. You can see that, right? So here, once it is done, close this window, do a right click again and go to run. Now here we need to go to this advanced tab, and under advanced we have this performance, visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage and virtual memory. So we need to click on settings, and the moment you do that, you will see a window like this where you have this visual effects. Let the windows choose what's best for your computer and select adjust for best performance. Once you do that, just need to click on apply and OK, and this will be done. Once this is done, you can simply click on OK and we will move to the next step.
Thanks for watching to the end. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.